When throwing a cocktail party at home, you don't want to have to make each individual cocktail. I'm going to demonstrate for you how to make 20 Appleton Reserve daiquiris all in one. First, we're going to start with 20 ounces of Appleton Estate Reserve. Then we're going to add 10 ounces of Demerara syrup. We're going to add dilution. So I'm going to add 10 ounces of filtered water so we don't have to shake each individual cocktail. Lastly, I'm going to add the lime juice. It's important to add 2/3 of what the recipe calls for and do the rest to taste. Mixy, mixy. Needs just a little bit more lime juice. And it should be perfect. Now here's a little tip for you. When using bitters or spices, add them per cocktail as the flavors enhance over time. And be sure to keep your batch refrigerated.